Hey guys, it's Marshall Tingle with your Paris Stockyards market in a minute for today, February 16th, 2023. So we've had a really good day at the stockyards. It's been wet, it's been nasty, it's been miserable, but everything has been good in this barn today. So we sold 3,006 head of cattle through the barn today, and the market's still pretty good. Now, your steers, your lightweight steers did take a little bit of a hit, but not much. I mean, everything as a whole is still showing very, very strong on this. Let's talk about this. So your steer cattle under 500 pounds, we're going to call those about $1 to $2 lower. Now, if they're over 500 pounds, we're going to call them to a steady to $1 up. Now, your heifer cattle, steady to $2 higher. Now, your weigh cow market is stronger this week. We're going to call your weigh cows and bulls $2 to $4 higher across the board. So let's talk about these little cattle real fast. So your steer cattle, your full-weight steer cattle, you're looking at 207 to 245 on your full-weight steer cattle. 5-weight steer cattle, 190 to 224, and your big 6-weight cattle, 174 to 207.5. So the market, like I said, your heavier cattle up just a hair. Lightweight cattle, I think the biggest thing that you're seeing is a slight drop on the top side. There's not been any of those 272 or $3 3-weights like we saw last week, and I think that's what you're seeing. Now let's talk about your heifers now. Full-weight heifers, 170 to $1.89.5. 5-weight heifers, 154 to $1.85, and your 6-weight heifers, 143 up to $1.79. So still showing strong on those heifers and gaining some ground. Let's talk about your weigh cow market. So weigh cows and bulls up $2 to $4. Top selling weigh cow tonight, $1.07.5. Top selling bull, $1.29. So we did have some advertised cows come through. Market on those still pretty strong. So your top selling bred cows, your 7 to 9 month bred cows, $1,540 on the cows. Had some pairs, $1,825 was the top on the pairs, and sold a big stock bull replacement bull for $2,200 flat. So that replacement market is pretty good. Let's talk about our groups. So we had a lot of groups today. Groups sold extremely well. Check these out. Here's 21 head of these. These are all black steers, 520 pounds on the average, 219 flat. Jump on down here. Here's 24 head of them, just a hair heavier now, 603 pounds on the average, all black, 207.50. And then come on down here. Here's 56 head of these, 649 pounds on the average, $1.90 flat. And they're going to be blacks. And go just a hair lighter. Here's 37 of them, 637 on the average, all blacks as well, $193. Not bad. Here's a big set of them. Here's 47 head of them, 722 pounds on the average, blacks and Charolais crosses, $1.81 flat. But check out these heifer trade. Heifer trade's still pretty strong too. Here's 20 head of heifers, 484 pounds on the average, $1.82. Come on down here. Let's see here. Here's 314. Here's a real shining star for the day. Here's 314 head of heifers, all sold in one big drag of them. About 9 drafts come through the ring, all sold together. 314 head of heifers, 598 pounds on the average, $1.8425. So really strong market. But don't forget, mark down on your calendars now. This weekend, this Saturday at 1 o'clock, we've got a huge cow sale coming to you. We've got probably 400 to 500 cows all together off one deal. Another package of about 100, and then there's going to be about 95 first calf heifers coming to you, all off one consigner. So really outstanding sale. That's this Saturday at 1 o'clock. If you need some replacement females, now's your time to cash in. But as always, on behalf of myself and everyone at Paris Stockyards, we just want to say thank you for your business. We truly are farmers doing business with farmers, and if there's anything we can do to help your livestock marketing needs, we sure would love to help you out. Thank you so much. See you next Thursday.